guys, it's Cubis here, and today I have got an unboxing from the cubicle.js. So let's get this open. Just cutting this corner right here. Let's get this opened. Okay. Looks pretty promising. Okay. So this is an MF3RS2, just regular. 2 cubicle bags, some stickers for this Yuxin little magic, which I'm gonna magnetize, and then here 2 magnetizing kits. Also there is another Yuxin little magic in here, so I can replace that one that I will magnetize. Okay, so let's quickly get these stickers out of the way. So they're pretty nice. These are fluorescent yellow, fluorescent orange, fluorescent green. I think it's fluorescent red and sky blue. So it looks pretty nice. I'm pretty excited to try this out. And here is a logo and also some application tape. So let's put this back in here. So I've already looped this one, so it's not as fast as it was before. So let's check this out. Okay, got it in a stickerless. Oh, it looks pretty nice, and wow, actually not as fast as I expected. So pretty smooth actually, and pretty sandy, as you can hear. Is it already looped? Yeah, a little bit. It's also pretty loose, but I think all Yuxin little magics are like this. Wow, this is really nice. I really like these shades. Okay, let's get this aside. And now to the MF3RS2. Come on, there we go. So, pamphlet and the cube. So it's pretty dusty. And okay, wow, it's really quiet actually. I ordered this one because I want to replace the springs in this one, in this Moyo GTS2M, because I heard that when you swap these two cubes, then the Moyo Waylon gets really nice. So I wanted to try that out. Let's take a quick look at these bags and magnetizing kits. Okay, wow, they're stuck together by the magnets. Wow. Okay, so not quite sure what these red things are. I will find that out. Yeah, these are the right ones here. And these bags, yeah, they are really nice. Good quality, I think. They are a little bit like these GAN bags, almost. Yeah, pretty nice cubes. Pretty happy. And that actually was it from this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you could hit the like button to show me that you liked it, and if you really liked it, then you could even subscribe to my channel to not miss any of my new videos. But that's it for me today. So bye till next time, and of course have a nice day.